Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you how to make a dice simulator. If you don't have any dice, you can just roll it. Or if the dice on another platform isn't working, you can use that. So anyways, let's get started. The cat's already deleted, so let's just start with the code. We'll want to import we want to make a dice. Let's make 6 costumes and repeat it with the other dice. So let's make costume 3, costume 4, costume 5, and costume 6. Let's make it a professional one. Let's do this. Now let's do this for a second. Let's make the dice first. Okay, now let's fill it with the color black. Now let's do the same thing for the second one. Okay. So first we do this. And then we'll do this. We'll go here. Change this to 0. Now we'll make 2 instead. Wait, let's remove these. Okay, now let's move on to costume 3. Let's just select all these. Wait, let's convert it to vector again. Select all of this. Let's group this. Yes, so let's copy this. Control C. And now Control V. There. Now you might want to do this. Okay. So this is 1, this is 2. Now let's make 3. Okay. Okay, now let's make number 4. Now let's take this dark spot here. Let's erase this. Or let's just make it white actually. And let's make, wait. Let's draw white. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger. You guys can just import dice as well, but I'll just teach you how to make the dice. And I told you guys how to import before. This time, let's just draw it really quick. So first, you'll fill this with black. Now fill this with black, fill this with black, and fill this with black. Okay, for number 5, we'll do this and make it fill to white. Now we'll select this sprite and turn this into black. Now let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now for the last one, let's turn this into 100 and turn this to 0. Okay, now we'll do this. Okay, so now we will drag this. And then we'll click this and turn this into black. Now let's do 1, 2, 3. Wait, let's turn this a bit bigger. Let's make this white circle bigger. Not white circle, I mean like white square. This big should be good. Now let's drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's 6 of them should do it. And now let's make them like size 25. And let's add a background. Let's find a good background. Maybe let's do this one, this background. Now you guys might be saying, oh no, why is this so long? We have to make another one. But no, just right click on this sprite and then click duplicate. See, all the costumes are the same. And now let's add a character. Let's click the people one. There is let's search some. Let's do Giga Sprite. Let's do that. Drag this and this here. And let's turn this backdrop and type, and let's drag the text box. Now let's type dice simulator. Now let's turn this color into something visible. How about my favorite color, blue? Okay, let's pick this as blue. Let's make this a bit smaller. Okay, so now we will go and delete this one. Okay, let's start with the first dice. We can just copy it into this dice and then, yeah, let's name it die 1. Now let's name this die 2. And let's keep this as the same. Okay, so first of all, we'll drag one play clicked, and then we'll make it go to the current X and Y, like this. Okay, and then after that, when I received roll, let's make a thing called roll. When I receive roll, repeat 20 times. 20. Okay. Now let's drag the switch costume. Okay. Switch costume to, now let's make variables. No, not yet. Switch costume to random 1 and 6. Because there's 6 sides in a dice. Okay. Now we will go and drag switch costume to Now let's make two of these variables. One is called random1 and the next one is called random2. Okay, now let's drag random1 here. Switch costume to random1. Now let's go here and drag the same thing to dice2. Only this time we'll go into motion and drag this block. We'll drag the go to X 30 Y free. Now we'll click the when flag clicked again. And let's hide these variables so it doesn't show. Now let's go and do Giga's code. Okay, when flag clicked, now we'll make this the code. Okay, so then we'll make, let's go to his costumes. Let's do these two. Now let's make it B to not confuse us. Okay, when flag clicked, go to this X position and then switch costume to Giga A. Now we will go here. When I receive roll, now we'll do this. When I receive roll, switch costume to Giga A. Okay, now we will go and drag the repeat 10 times block and change this to 6. And now we will drag the next costume block. And then we'll go here in the control section and drag, wait 1 second and change this one to 0.2. Okay, now we will drag once this spread clicked, let's drag the random 1 to 6 block. Okay, now let's do this. Set random to pick random 1 and 6. Okay, wait. When this sprite clicked, set random to 1 and to pick random 1 and 6. And then we'll duplicate this and let's make this random 1 actually, and then we'll keep this random 2. And then we'll broadcast, roll, and wait. And then say random, go here and say random say random, and then we'll drag random 1 plus random 2, and then we will drag for 2 we'll keep it for 2 seconds. Now let's do this. Wait. Let's actually go to and drag the plus button first. Say random 1 plus random 2. I made a mistake. Say random 1 plus random 2 for 2 seconds. Now let's start. Okay. Wait, what? Hmm? Wait. Let me fix this problem. Free. There's a problem here. Set random 1 to... Give me a second. Set random 1 to 1, 6. Wait. Let's do this. Let's name them numbers. Okay, now let's do the same thing here. And then let's make this 4, 5, and 6. And I think I know what the problem was. So, So the random 1, I kept the random 1 for the dice too. Switch this to random 2 and see if it works. Okay. Now let's click. Okay. Yes, it works. Yes, so as you can see, it's rolling the dice. Okay, so I think we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about this dice simulator. And if you liked my video, please subscribe, share this to your friends, and like the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.